Alright, welcome back everyone. This is the video on Proxychains. Okay, so with Proxychain, we'll understand how it is different. When we just focus on making our browser activity anonymous, or our complete system activity anonymous, okay? Understand the difference. There are multiple ways your data goes out of your system. For a normal user, it could be simply with its out browser or maybe through email or in case he might be using any, applications. Or something, so maybe the Skype application, so it might be using its own traffic. In that case, it might not be going through the browser or maybe it will need certain other kind of application. Right, so this all could happen. What about TCP application? What about some other UDP-based applications? What if you want to send any other set of applications, which is not making use of HTTP? Maybe it's a DNS request, right? So, when you are working as an ethical hacker, you have all sorts of stuff. You are sending TCP scanning requests, or maybe DNS requests as well. It's not for the ethical hacking, but you send the UDP-based traffic as well, ARP, as well as a part of NMAP scanning or maybe another part of scanners as well, all right? But let's understand where exactly Proxychains sets and why, or how it is different from the Tor browser. In a way, so as of now, we understand what our browser or Tor network we can only anonymize. Or we can only make our browser activity private, right? But with the Proxychain, it goes a bit more beyond. Although it makes use of the Tor network at the end, but on the same network, it also sends your rest of the traffic as well. So when you are working as an ethical hacker, it matters that all of your traffic, maybe you are scanning and all those stuff should goes to the private network as well, and that case you can make use of Proxychains. Okay, so in simple nutshell, it's a proxyfier. It can proxy for anything, usually for proxy are certain protocols SOCKS 4 or SOCKS 5, which is basically being available. So it basically tunnel the TCP and DNS through the proxy. All the TCP traffic, DNS traffic goes through the proxies itself. It supports the HTTP. SOCK 4 and SOCK 5. So far is something which you should really go for, or adapt for as well. Can also proxy SSH traffic, FTP apt request and map and anything. Then hacker make use of. It can actually be, can actually be sent through Proxychain to the Tor network and then reaches to the destination. Alright, so that's all about understanding it, and that's all completes the idea about Proxychain. In the next video, we will be installing the Proxychain and launching the Proxychains by making use of it for accessing certain sites, and of course, we'll run the actual application like Nmap scanners, or we'll be sending the non-HTTP traffic and with Proxychain itself. So till then, enjoy this content and we catch you in the next one. Thank you.